Hey everyone, it's Matt at Sparkle Farm. We're going to be doing some improvements to the log splitter tomorrow, but I wanted to drag it around and put it inside the shop because all rain's coming in. But this is one of the things we're upgrading. I'm guessing this log splitter is about 15, maybe 20 years old now. So these are the original tires on it. So we're going to be changing those. I don't foresee myself hauling this thing on the road anytime soon, but it is always annoying to have flat tires. We got this. And see all that. So that's making it rusty in here. So we're going to be, I ordered a new one of those, and that'll be its own video on the cover. All right, let's get it hitched up. Oh, it looks like that rain's coming in a little sooner. We did this just in time. Now that we're inside the shop, everything out here is a little wet now. We got a good drizzle coming down. But let's get back to the log splitter. So it's still hooked up onto the Power King, but I'm going to move it there and we're going to get it up on some jack stands. Alright, now we're nice and secure. Alright, now on the jack stands here, I don't know if it's something inside the tire rattling or it's the bearings that are shot. Alright, now I'm ready to tackle this. All the grease off this and see what we're up against. Alright, so we are probably, well, I'm gonna say these are probably good. We'll just re-grease them. Or repack them, I should say. Yeah, it's a spins free, no real big issues. I'll just clean this all up, clean the wheels up. So I think I figured out what is inside the tire rattling. It is the old, the bottom of this valve stem. Year and a half ago when I brought this over here to a Sparkle farm, the tires were leaking from the valve stems, and so I replaced them, but there's giant splits all over this place. I don't know. I might take it back to my dad's house with these tires because it's not too far, but I don't have a spare or anything, so I don't think I'd want to get a flat. And this is the main reason these are coming off. These are C rated, these are A rated. This is a little beefier tire, makes me feel better, so that's what we're gonna put on. I ordered these off of Amazon, best price around. The A rated ones and B rated ones are definitely a couple bucks cheaper, but like I said, just a couple bucks. So I got the C rated. These are good for like 900 pounds each tire. And these are good for like $3.90. Not that it'll ever get that, but just kind of makes me feel better. Now to get, so changing tires at my buddy's shop is not difficult because he has all the right equipment. But on these smaller diameter tires, his machine is too big for it because it's just made for automotive. So my dad has the tire changer for small tires, so I'm going to take these over there tomorrow, but I want to get the old tires off, so I'm just going to sawzall them because I want to paint the rims, because that seems like I'm going to wire brush them and paint them, and that seems to alleviate a lot of problems for me. But I'm just using the air chuck to get all the air out from when I just filled it. All right. And we'll be able to find out what that rattling is. I don't think I was going to get a flat. Huh. Let me get a big screwdriver. It always seems to do the trick. Alright, it's a little ugly coming off, but I have a feeling all right here is the problem. So I'm going to take the other one apart and oop, that's what it was. Okay, so I'm going to take the other one apart now and clean them up and paint both of them.